How's it going, everyone? It's Reversal Trader King right. Catch you guys bottoms and tops in the stock market. I haven't like everyone's talking about Hollow, and people want me to give an update as this is one of the biggest pumping stocks that can happen. And when every time this stock goes up, people are like, "Is this going to be the big pump happening?" And no one really knows when you're going to have this massive pump like this. We know in the chart history data, it does it all the time. As you can see, big, massive pump right back in here in 2023. We had ours in 2024. Big, massive pump back in, the beginning of 2023. It happens all the time, and these pumps are insane because obviously this is a Chinese company. If you look at the profile here on Webull, you can see right in here, and they have the biggest freaking pumps, right? So what we want to do and how do we trade this. Obviously, it went up how much? 32% today, which is a nice gain from a low of 1.31 to a high of 1.90. And this thing, I'm just going to keep it real because you're probably like looking at what is this system showing. So if you look at the upper band, this is considered a sell zone. Right here on this arrow, that's where price tends to revert and sell off. It can get close to it like this candle, but often and not, it does sell off, rather fast. And this was a nice gain right down in here. So our secret is this candle right here going to keep going up and have more room? Here's the thing that I do see. One, I do like to take my entries below the EMA 5. This right here, under here, is the best time to take it. When price hits your 10 and 20, that is your reversion to the mean. That means price has went back to where it has to go. The algos, said, this is correlated here, and once it hits it, then we choose our direction. No one really knows if this is going to go freaking up or down from this point. This is almost like flipping a coin almost. We do see solid resistance rate. Right in here, you see these two candles here. You had the tipping tones here. So you see solid resistance right around these two big upper wicks right in here. Can it go up there? There's just not much wiggle room up there. So this is kind of like a roll the dice type of trade. But like I said, the bottom reversal, I really wish I was looking at this a lot more closely. I'm playing other trades, of course, but as you can see, once you're under the EMA 10 and 20 for some time, price always reverts back to the mean. As you can see right in here, we hit a short EMA 20 here. We were under the EMA 5 for some time, and we have a nice explosive move. I take 30% gain all the time. That is massive moves. And then right here, we had this big move up. Can't sustain these ATR levels. When it goes up, it can go higher, but more often than not, it goes plummeting down. Where does it go back to all the time, even on the upside, is this blue band here, is your exponential moving average 20. If you guys want to see this charting and have it for yourself, there is a link down below to join my premium Discord. It's only $6 a month. But what you're looking at is I use the three exponential moving averages. I use the EMA 5, 10, and 20. Those are the only ones I like. I don't need any others. I know a lot of people like to have all these things. I'm trying to keep my chart as clean as possible. Less indicators, the better. And I also have a KDJ down here. That tells me it's a stochastic oscillator. The lower it gets, the bigger the move should be and rejection. Because as you can see right in here, when we had this big move up, we had a K. I'm going to hover over, look at my KDJ. I'm going to put my arrow here so you know what I'm talking about. Look at this number as it fluctuates. Right now, it's a 6.34 here. Right now, it's a 5. It's a 5, 4.48, 3.43, and 3.18. If it hits 3.18, that's really low. So what happened is it's more likely than not to revert to the mean from that point here to this EMA 10. And look what we had from a massive $4.80 to an $8 move. It's almost 100% gain. That was a very nice 30 to 50, 60% potential area you could have easily made. Obviously, you're not catching the whole move, but that's really nice. And this stock is just like a freaking money machine. Once it hits that reversion to the mean, you give it some time, but below the EMA 5, couple week or two, and then it shoots back up again, and it's constantly doing it. And everyone's wondering, is this going to be the next big pump? Is this going to be the next big pump? I'm really not sure, to be honest, guys. Anybody that says so is just pumping for no reason. I do know we are at the EMA 20, and that's where you flip the dice and it makes the big move. Are we going to go back down to a newer low? Because that's what it's been doing constantly. Hits the EMA 20, goes down. Hits the EMA 20 and it goes down. Even the EMA 10, as you can see, hits the 10, down, 10, down, 10, down. It's just constantly. And even prior before, this chart has been going down forever since. Right in here, as you can see, it gets close to the upper band right in here, but it does sell off. So it's just more of a thing. I do think it's going to need more time before the next big rally like this. As you can see, they're kind of spaced out here. But it's really hard to say. I would not trade based on that. I would trade based on just getting these nice big rallies, because these are giving you 30, 50, even 100% moves, here and there. This one went from $1.58 to $3.90. 100% gain. $1.31 to 1.98. Very nice returns. So that's my prediction on this. I do want to see. I would not take it for my type of style trading, because I want it below the EMA 5. I want more time distance from EMA 10 and 20. And if you guys don't know about time distance, I'll just explain that in the Discord. But yeah, I'm gonna wait this one out, and I do wish I would have saw it down here. So, but this was a very nice trade, guys. Very nice trade for the ones that got in early. If you guys want to see and join my premium Discord of only $6 a month of the best alerts of a system that works with no bias to it, it's just, what does the chart tell you? I don't care what someone says. I don't care about their pumping, their targets. There's no substance to it. I want to know, what does the chart say? And if you want to know exactly how to get this chart, the indicators, I have a video on how to set it up on my premium Discord of only $6 a month, and you get my actual alerts too. If you want to join, click the link down below in the YouTube comments. I'll have a pinned comment that says, join the premium Discord for my alerts and system. And when you click that link, it'll take you to this free chat landing page. Everybody in green is a subscriber. You'll want to have your name in green. That means you have access to all the channels. Please read how to subscribe. Also avoid scammers. There's people that are going to use my name, my image, and try to DM you. I never DM you first, so do keep that in mind. Also, if you want to subscribe, the easiest way to do it is just hit premium chat over here on the subscriptions tab. It is only $6 a month, and if you do it on your computer, it is the best way to do it than on your phone, because if you do it on your phone, it'll charge you like $1 or $2 or more, because it charges an iOS fee. Computer is strictly $6, and I'm telling you guys, a lot of people have been like, you're shortcutting yourself, but here's the thing. I firmly believe with $6 a month, anybody can get in here and try the system. It's not going to kill you. It's not going to be like, oh, it's only, I spent $100 or $500 to try this service. It's $6. You go in and you don't eat, you don't get a Starbucks coffee. You don't get a Big Mac, or, you skip out on, whatever. But the thing is, I want you guys to give it a try. Let me show you that this system works. Let me show you that you can be profitable. Over 90% of traders lose, and that's because people FOMO. That's because people don't have a system. They don't have the education. They don't have the psychology. They're too emotional. There's so many things that cause people to lose. But if you stick to a system that works and you know it works, your psychology will improve, because you're confident. When you're not confident in a trade, you sell the trade out just for it to run the next day, and I see it all the time, right? So I hope this really helps, guys. It's only $6 a month. What you get is my RTK swing trades, which is my exact alerts with my entries and exits. It looks like this. You'll get notified on your phone. You'll get pinged when I get into something, and when I sell too. Because you got to have an exit plan, and that's what I'm here for, you guys. Education videos are all posted here. These are very important. Please watch them. And then also RTK Journal is where you can see my actual trades that I'm in with my averages, with everything, with my wins and losses. I'm here to prove that over 95% of these trades, if you do bottom reversals, you will be a consistent profitable trader, and that's what I'm here to prove. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I hope to see you guys in the premium Discord. If you like this video, give it a like, subscribe, comment. Let me know what you think. Any type of engagement helps spread this word out to Hollow. or other people trying to like trade hollow. I don't know if some people are bag holding it or some people are looking to get in. This is just my honest advice about it. What I see happening. I see the trend. I see where you can make massive money if you do it my way. If you buy it, wait a couple, a week or two on the EMA5, have that reversion to the mean here and here. Same thing here, here and here. It's just like constant gains, right? So if you like this video, give it a like, subscribe, comment. Let me know what you think. And I hope to see you guys in the premium Discord. Peace out.